Hey, hello, what's going on? What's up? Today guys, the motive of this video is that I will be sitting down and make this video. Just kidding. This video is about a microphone. Can I get a yay? Oh yes. I bought a microphone for my videos, which is this one. Oh no, sorry. This one. This microphone is so cheap to buy it. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this microphone. Look at it. It's so complicated. It's GYVAZLA, It's GYVAZLA microphone. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is very important, which is unboxing. Hey. Okay, so let's unbox this. So first thing I have, which is microphone with 1.5 meter wire. Let me show you. So look at this. Wow, this is so long. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's see. So here I have the one adapter to use with other devices, this microphone. Here we got two covers for microphone for this one, and one more adapter to use with other devices. Let's put this aside. And what do we have? Okay, so here I have the paper, which is the guide of this microphone to how to use it. Okay, so step number one, which is directly plug the mini plug microphone into your phone or device. So I'm gonna take my microphone, I'm gonna take my device. Okay, oh, it does not have any headphone jack. No problem. OnePlus provide me one adapter. This adapter is very helpful to use microphone or any headphone to your OnePlus device. So let me connect this adapter. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, now it's time to plug it in the microphone. Okay, so let me show you. So as you can see, this headphone icon on the notification bar, this tells you that microphone is connected to my OnePlus device. Connect the straight metal adapter and the mini plug microphone together. Then plug the male port of the metal adapter into the phone or the device. Check it work or not. If not, do the next step. Okay, so they are telling me to do this. And then I should need to plug in to my device. So I don't need this actually. Okay, let's read about this. The first one, they're saying I can use with iPhone series XIAO, I don't know how to pronounce that, Mizu, Sony, LG, Huawei, with only this model, not the other ones. Lumia, WP7, PC only with one audio port, Vivo and Oppo. Okay, the second one, which they are telling that to use with this, you can use this with Huawei and Motorola. And the last one, which is this one, you can use with camera, speaker, PC and line-in recorder. So in the yellow box, this says as a note, as some phone video app are incompatible, so maybe you need download other video app like Open Camera or Camera MX etc. to make it working when recording video. Okay, so I'm done with all of the stuff. Now it's time to attach the microphone with my cloth and plug in with my device again to record the sound. Okay, so guys, I have the microphone now and I'm gonna attach to my shirt.
3 days later.
That's all done, and I have already plugged in my OnePlus device. So now it's time to record the sound. This is GYVAZLA microphone sound. I know guys, I have been doing this for 3 videos before, but I need to show you the recording sound so you can decide to buy the product or not. That's all done. Now it's time to reveal the price of this microphone. The price of this microphone is £10. So guys, wherever are you living, just convert £10 into your currency and check the price. Guys, this video is finished. Thanks for watching my video. But one thing I want to tell you before ending this video, I would recommend this mic to those people who starting their YouTube channels, because take care, peace out.